In this video, I'll teach you how to make an invisible decrease. So to do this invisible decrease, we take the front loop of the following stitch and the next one, okay? So we use only front loops to create the invisible decrease. Let me show you once again. So I have the yarn here on my hook. I take the front loop of the following and the front loop of the next one. You see that we have like 1, 2, and 3 loops in our crochet hook. Yarn over, pass it through the first 2 loops, and now I have 2 loops here. Yarn over again, and that's it. This is our decrease. This is how we can turn 2 stitches into 1. Let's do it together again. So I take the front loop of the following one and the front loops. Oops, I inserted. You see that the hook passed through both? This is not what we want. We just want the front loops. And here I have 3 loops. Yarn over, pass it through the first 2. Here I have 2, yarn over, and pass it through both again. Last time together. Insert the hook in the following stitch, the front loops, sorry, and the front loops of the next one. I have 3 in a hook, yarn over, pass it through the first 2. I have 2 loops, yarn over again, and pass it through both loops. And this is our decrease.